Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the LULULOOK sleeve for the Apple Pencil second generation. So here it is. I've got my Apple Pencil here. It's not included. So what this is, it's a nice little case to put on your Apple Pencil to make it a little easier to use and to make it a little more colorful, but it doesn't affect the magnet at all, so it'll still be magnetized. So here it is. So here it comes in this little bag. And is orange. Orange is my favorite color. It comes in some different colors as well. And basically all you do is you just slide it on in here. And there's a flat side just like your Apple Pencil has, so you can line it up with that and just slide it on in. All right, so it's on there. You have to push it slowly and be patient. It's actually not that easy to get on. But now that it's on, it's really nice because it's got like a nice silicone feel, so it feels more like a pen when you're using it as a pencil. So what's great about this little silicone case is that it doesn't affect the magnet at all, so it still clicks right onto your iPad. It also comes in here with some little tips. So these tips are handy if you want to use it on your iPad and give you a nice little softer surface to write on. Makes it a little bit different, or you can always take them off. But don't forget, it also comes with a little thing on the end, so now it looks like an eraser. So that's it. That is the LULULOOK case, silicone case for the Apple Pencil second generation. Gives you a little bit different look to your Apple Pencil, and it makes it a little easier to write with. Thank you for watching.